Will the phone survive? Welcome to the AirX Space Grade Drop Test. RHINOSHIELD is pushing protection beyond military grade standards, sending AirX 30 kilometers into near space to claim a Guinness World Records title. Reaching the stratosphere, AirX faces Challenge 1. Brutal sub-zero cold, ordinary materials would shatter here. Only advanced material science keeps protection intact against extreme freezing. Altitude achieved, 30,607 meters. 3, 2, 1, drop. Plunging in a violent fall, absorbing this massive kinetic impact is the ultimate test for protective engineering. Challenge 3, the hunt. In the vast Arctic wilderness of Esrange Space Center, an area equal to 784,000 football fields, the team deploys helicopters and satellite tracking to retrieve AirX.
If we don't find it from the air, we have to go down and look from ground.
Can AirX conquer space and set a world record? Power on, check. Phone call, check. Drop from 30,607 meters, RHINOSHIELD AirX is officially a Guinness World Records holder.